Welcome back to Explain the Charts, your go-to channel for in-depth market analysis. Today, we're diving deep into LTCUSD, Litecoin, and an absolute bombshell of news that sent ripples across the crypto market. As of July 20th, 2025, the biggest headline is MEI Pharma, a Nasdaq-listed biotech company, announcing a $100 million private placement to adopt Litecoin as its primary treasury reserve asset. This is monumental, marking MEI Pharma as the first publicly traded company to directly hold LTC on a national exchange. This move signals a significant leap in institutional validation for altcoins, mimicking the early corporate adoption playbook seen with Bitcoin. The market's reaction has been swift and decisive. Looking at the daily chart, we can immediately see the impact of this groundbreaking announcement on the very latest candles. Just yesterday, on July 19th, Litecoin recorded an impressive 11.29% gain, following a strong 4.23% rise on July 18th, showing the immediate bullish response. This surge is a direct reflection of renewed confidence and large-scale interest flowing into Litecoin. To understand the precise dynamics of this immediate rally, let's zoom in closely on the 15-minute chart, focusing on the period from July 18th to the current moment. Here, the explosive nature of the rally becomes even clearer, revealing sustained buying pressure minute by minute. We can observe several strong bullish candles with increased volume, indicating conviction behind the price move. This granular view shows the rapid price discovery as market participants reacted to the news in real time. While impressive, such sharp, parabolic moves often lead to short-term volatility and potential profit-taking as the market digests the gains. Now, let's pull back to the daily chart again to put this recent surge into a broader context and identify key long-term levels. Litecoin has experienced quite a journey over the past year, marked by significant price swings. We can observe a notable low around $56 back in August 2024, which now stands as a critical long-term support level should a severe downturn occur. Following that, Litecoin had a strong bullish run in late 2024, pushing above previous highs from March 2024 and reaching a peak near $140 in December 2024. This $130 to $140 range represents a major historical resistance zone that bulls will need to conquer for sustained further upside. After the December peak, price consolidated and retraced, finding solid support around the $90 to $95 area, particularly in January and May 2025. The current price of approximately $113.29 has now decisively broken above the psychological $100 mark and is testing immediate resistance around $115 to $120. Historically, this $115 to $120 zone has acted as both support and resistance multiple times, making it a crucial battleground for current price action. The significantly increased trading volume accompanying this recent pump is a positive sign, indicating strong buying interest and validating the strength of the move. So, are we bullish or bearish on LTCUSD? Short term, the sentiment is overwhelmingly bullish, driven by the institutional adoption news. The entry of MEI Pharma legitimizes Litecoin as a corporate treasury asset, opening doors for potential future institutional inflows. This narrative alone could fuel significant long-term growth, potentially pushing Litecoin well beyond previous highs. However, prudent traders will watch for potential short-term pullbacks, which are common after such sharp rallies. A healthy retest of the broken resistance levels, now acting as support around $100 to $105, would offer confirmation of strength and potentially new entry points. Bearish signs would emerge if Litecoin fails to hold these immediate support levels, especially if it drops back below $100 on sustained high volume. Another point to consider is the broader cryptocurrency market sentiment, as Bitcoin's performance often influences altcoins like Litecoin. Always look for confirmation through volume and candlestick patterns before making trading decisions. To recap, LTCUSD is currently trading around $113.29, propelled by the groundbreaking MEI Pharma news. The immediate price level to watch is the $115 to $120 resistance zone. If Litecoin successfully breaks and holds above $120, a push towards the major resistance at $130 to $140 becomes highly likely. Perhaps a 70% probability given the strong fundamental catalyst. This would reinforce the bullish narrative, signaling robust institutional confidence. Should profit-taking occur, a retest of the $100 to $105 support range is a medium probability event, around 40%. Holding this level would indicate strength and offer attractive entry opportunities for long-term holders. A significant drop below $90 to $95 would signal a concerning reversal, but this currently appears to be a low-probability event, perhaps 20%, unless broader market conditions deteriorate or the MEI Pharma narrative loses steam. Keep an eye on any further corporate announcements related to Litecoin or similar institutional treasury adoptions, as these will be key drivers. Also, watch for major cryptocurrency conferences or regulatory news that could impact overall market sentiment for proof-of-work assets like Litecoin. That's all for today's in-depth analysis on LTCUSD. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more chart breakdowns from Explain the Charts.